Well, hello YouTube, it's me, Caleb Schmaltz Vacuums, and yeah, you may notice I'm extremely congested. I'm sick, as you can tell. I got quite a few some medications I gotta be taking, but missed Friday from school, missed yesterday, or missed today, I mean. Probably missed tomorrow, I don't know. But anyways, here is my latest trash find. Here is a Hoover Legacy.
All of the above. Big Red, Foreman, and Rancher from Honda.
See, it's a
to work.
very nice machine.
You ever notice that some people just have a
bag in here yet? It's got the air freshener at the top.
And find just the right.
It's got attachments on the sides. Got the hose.
How can they do that?
Got your extension.
More saving, more doing. That's the power of the Home Depot. Pick up a rigid Job Max multi-tool starter kit and get a free head attachment.
We put a week's worth of bad odors in a home. Some aerosols may just mix with them. Can Febreze really remove them? We asked real people what they thought.
Take a deep breath for me. Describe the smell. Fresh. Some kind of flower, maybe?
Looks like it was never used, actually.
Oh, yuck. I didn't smell any of that.
Febreze Air Effects doesn't mix.
Yeah.
It actually removes
Took out our
odors.
trash, and I know it's
incredible.
Out there,
Just
had a good
another
feeling,
way
but
Febreze helps you breathe happy.
Right here, pack, still pretty new pack full of Honeywell type A bags. There's 3 bags in this package. I haven't checked. The brush roll on this thing is extremely dirty. But
I got my first phone this holiday. Thank you. At Radio
set
Shack.
this up like so. I don't know, you guys probably know how the air freshener thing works. Up above here. This part right here. I just think that they Yep, I figured. You just got 2 clips in the back to push on. And the thing
The season
goes
premiere of
right
Dance
up.
Moms,
And,
New Year's Day.
there's
Your life, your time, lifetime.
actually a tablet in here. I can't really tell if it's scented anymore, but it's my nose is punk, but I hope you guys enjoyed.